demonstration.
Ow. Ow. Josh, what you say just now?
East Coast plan.
Oh. Ow. Wait, Junchen and Kaden coming together.
Junchen, Kaden don't know about them. They are women's flying kite.
Flying kite. Ah man. Should I ask the or no?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Just ask him, Fatty, where are you? Are you at McDonald's or Burger King?
Ow.
Xstrom movie.
Directed by who?
Huh?
Directed by who lah?
This guy ah.
Ow.
What the fuck?
Who's the main actors?
This guy.
Who the hell is that? Go, go, go!
Captain SMRT.
Oh yeah, Captain.
Ow. Oh, what the? Ow.
Is big.
I need to go meet a friend already.
Watch me fail so miserably.
Okay, see about that. Hey, floorball goalie, right? Is floorball goalie, right?
Ah shit.
Suck ass.
Ow.
Thank you. My aim is below average, like other things about me. I'm Microsoft tech support. You know how it is, bro. Watch this. Watch this unspoken jawline. I'm gonna fail so bad, but it's all good, bro.
I don't give a if you fail or not.
Ow. Ow.
That was tokusatsu. Tokusatsu, yeah. That was what it called.
Where?
Ow. No, are you a KCC boogie? Ow. Wow. I never see fan before. Right guys? Never see fan before.
Yes.
Ow. Josh, you ready to rate toilet or not? Yeah? Josh,
Yeah.
how do you rate this toilet?
It's quite skibidi lah. There's no smell. I like it. 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Okay. Ow.
Shut up. Okay, I don't care if it's $5 or not. It's over engineering.
Over engineer.
Ow.
Hi, are you a KSFC Woogie? Are you acoustic? Are you special needs?
Hi, are you Speedy? Oh my gosh, it's Speedy.
Hi, can you horn?
No.
Hi, can you horn?
Whoa, Jesus.
Bro, you know right? A walk from all the way up there down here is supposed to only take
How long now?
Whoa, Josh.
Time to sit or deserve seat.
I press the first number break in this one. You sit down.
What the fuck?
Hello, are you recording? Can I reserve seat?
Hello, are you a KSSC Bogey?
Are you a
Yeah,
smart-
yeah, I stole.
Ow.
Oh, this one's not
Only for old people, you so young. You look so young.
If you inside the train,
He see.
Ow.